What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So let me play a 4K video. I'm going to play a 4K footage via the OTG. Okay, it's connected. Come on, 128 GB OTG. And then while test videos, real 4K HDR. I mean, okay. I mean, it can easily play the 4K footage. I mean, with no problem. As you can see, it's playing with absolutely no problem. And then let me play the harmony of C with photos. I'm just using the native application. The photos. It's playing with no problem, to be honest with you. I'm quite happy. Yeah, it can easily handle the 4K video with absolutely no problem. So yeah, let me see this one. Okay. Yeah, that was just my intro trailer. Okay, Rwanda trip, Sonic Xperia. Yeah, so it was me, your Geek. It can easily handle the 4K video with no problem. Subscribe and